Welcome to AutismVR. In this guide, we will introduce the game settings and explain how to use them effectively. Accessing these settings. At any point during the game, press the A button on the right controller to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings to open the Settings page. Customizing gameplay for children. These settings allow trainers to tailor the game experience based on each child's priorities and comfort level. Trainers can configure how correct answers are selected, using the trigger button, using the grip button, by pointing at the object without pressing any buttons. This flexibility ensures that children can interact with the game in the way that best suits their needs. Teacher mode. By enabling teacher mode, the system's AI will pause recording results. This ensures that the trainer's activity does not interfere with the child's progress records.